Hey everyone, we just installed our new gazebo that we got from Amazon. Absolutely love this thing. Just look how gorgeous it looks. Only took us about 4 hours to assemble, with me and one other family member. So really easy assembly. But this thing just turned out amazing. Looks absolutely gorgeous. I'll walk around for you. And this has like the top is like a glass see-through. It's not glass, but it's a material, and it kind of lets a little light in. It really looks big and open. We love that about it. Sometimes the all steel can be a little heavy for us particularly, but look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So love it. And our deck is 16 feet wide, so it fit perfect because this is a 16 foot. But keep in mind the posts do measure a little bit shorter than 16 by a few inches, which worked out perfect for us. But just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And you can close these curtains, of course, and block out all the sunlight. And you can just close out maybe like 1 or 2 sides if you want. Have some privacy if you're having a private event or dinner. And they just slide. And they have zippers. So you can just undo them right here. And you just simply slide it right there. And it closes. And we could do this side as well. And this will slide close. Just so you have an idea, and you can zipper that in the middle, but this just gives you an idea of the kind of privacy you can create and have more of a cabana feel. But look at that. Just gorgeous. Really completed our deck. Absolutely love it. The finish is like a hammered dark gray black. Hammered steel finish. It's going to really hold up well against the weather.